Open the Zoom application on your MacBook. Go to New Meeting to discover your personal ID. Your personal ID will be assigned to your profile. This will never change. You can either remember your personal ID number or copy it and paste it. Please make sure you toggle off sharing computer sound. Click Share Screen and enter your personal meeting identification number. Again, you can remember this number or copy and paste it in. Once you have chosen to share your screen, then you can choose what portion of your screen do you want to share. You can share either your full desktop or you can share just an application. Once sharing your screen, you will see a red and green toolbar at the top. This toolbar indicates that your screen is being shared, has your personal meeting identification number, and allows you to stop sharing the screen whenever you would like. This toolbar should not show up when you project to the screen, nor should it show up if you are using the smartboard. From the student's perspective, they will select the Zoom app, click Join. Once they click Join, they've been given the option to select a meeting room. Once they've selected a meeting room, they can then select Join. These numbers will be remembered after they have been initially entered. Once they select Join, then they select Cancel. Then they have to wait until the teacher opens up the meeting room. If the meeting room has not been opened by the teacher, all they will see is the teacher's image. Once a teacher has opened up the meeting room or has shared their screen, the student will be able to see the portion of the screen that the teacher has allowed to be shared. Please note, if the teacher has selected Share Desktop, the student will be able to see every step the teacher makes on the desktop. If the teacher has only selected Share Certain Applications, the student will be able to see only the application being shared. For example, the Chrome browser, Smartboard notebook, or a separate application. The student will be able to zoom in and zoom out on the iPad to see the content being projected onto the screen. This will not interfere with the information being projected on the screen. This is only able to be manipulated by the student for their viewing access. Once the teacher has stopped sharing the screen, the student will then only be able to see the teacher's image and can then end the meeting.